Hey guys, alright, I wanted to do a quick tutorial about FNs. Alright, so we're going to go into the course that whichever one you're trying to look at. Alright, here I am in my Strategic Communication 367. I'm going to go the same place that I went to check my rosters at the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to go to, sorry, I can't do it with one hand. LU My Students under Course Tools. Okay? And when I get in here, now I have not done this recently, so it's going to be a perfect example. I'm looking to see how many days these students have not been in class. All right, so you know what I'm going to see right here? I'm going to see 9 days that Cameron hasn't participated. If I wanted to, I could send an inactivity email. I would do that at 14 days normally, but what I also see is that Cameron is way ahead on points. So what she did is she came in here and took as many quizzes and stuff as she could, then she'll check back in. So I'm going to watch her, but I'm not going to send her anything right now because she's probably a pretty good student. All right, let's go back and look at my other class. Here we go. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Okay, course tools, LU My Students. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, so everybody looks good on this too. So the highest person up at the top has been in the last 5 days, which is fine. So all of this looks really good. I don't have anything to worry about. But when these start to get up into 10, 11, 12 days, all you do is you go in, you click inactivity, and it will send them a prompted email. So hopefully this helps you a little bit. Once you get into the FN process where they're hitting these day marks, just go and use the text that we include in the Thursday report, and you should have everything you need. If you have any questions, please let me know.